Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello my beautiful people and handsome people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Guys, make sure you like this video, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. What are you waiting for? Let me give you 5 minutes for you to 3 seconds. Subscribe guys, subscribe. So today this is another episode of story time. I'm so excited guys. Story time, I'm so excited. So this story time it will be about he was desperate for love, yeah. Something like that. So guys, this is the story. So guys, it was just at some school. I won't say if it's high school, college, or anything. No. So guys, it was just some school, and you know when you go to some school, you just try to talk to people, yeah, to interact with a lot of people, yeah, to interact with a lot of people, to have friends, yeah, and talk to different kind of people from the people you have as friends at home. So guys, see, I went to school, and so me, I was interacting, guys. Hey, and then when I was interacting, there was this kanini, a tribal thing. Like if you're from, let's say if you're a Kalenjin, because it was Kalenjin mostly that I saw that they have that. They used to do that, yeah. Like they will have a meeting, they'll talk, they'll interact. So then I got myself, I've interacted with almost 5 men, yeah. Yeah, guys, 5. So, guys, there was this particular guy now. Then I want to tell you now about. So, this guy was like, oh, you know what? You can be my girlfriend. But to me, this guy wasn't my type because he was that person who likes forcing issues. You know, like if he says we go somewhere, it's a must. You go. It's a must. You don't have any opinion. Whatever he says, you must do. Even if it's a bad thing, you must do it. So me, so I know I can't really date somebody who doesn't look like my opinion matters. My opinion doesn't matter as long as he says something. It's like that, and he doesn't respect the fact that I should say something before he forces what he wants. No, he doesn't want that. Okay, it was like a typical, a typical Kalenjin man. Yeah, who wants a girlfriend to respect her, to respect him, and then he wants you to be submissive. Hey guys, so me, I saw that. Hey, me, I can't, because how can I be submissive to somebody who has not gotten married to me? And in this school, I've come just to interact and read, not like to date someone. No. And even if I have to date someone, not somebody like him, somebody want to control my life, no, I can't. No, not me. Hey, he was too controlling, guys. Like, he would even slap you. Let's say he wants you to go somewhere, and this place you don't want to go because it's not even a nice place. Guys, this guy would slap you and drag you to the place you don't want to go. We didn't care, baby. They didn't care. Yeah, but sometimes, okay, sometimes he used to pretend like he cares. Yeah, he didn't want like to to give up on, like he didn't want to give up on me, but he was showing me that he was too controlling, and my opinion doesn't matter. He doesn't respect my boundaries. He doesn't respect my privacy. No, he didn't respect all that. So guys, there was this particular day. First, there was this day. I was just walking around. It was in the night, walking around in the corridor, and then we met. And then me, I was just on my phone. I was just on my phone, and yeah, because I want to school to interact and study. I was just on my phone talking to people, and then this girl was telling me, "So just stop being in your phone." But because I wasn't interested in what he was saying, guy, I was just on my phone, on my phone, because I didn't want to listen what he was saying. Because I thought it wasn't even something important. If not something he wants just me to do because he wants to control me. I'm telling you, he took that phone and threw it away. Tell me, 1 minute I'm having a phone, next minute I don't have a phone. And you expect me to date you? I'll never. I won't even risk my life. Even if it was the last person on earth. I won't risk my life for that. If you are just angry because I'm using my phone, what if I do a bigger mistake? So you'll just kill me. Okay, sometimes, okay, guys, sometimes there's just a red flag on somebody, but you ignore, but then this red flag will come to make you suffer in future. It will haunt you in future. So me, so that was a red flag, because you cannot just take my phone and throw it away. Now I don't even have a phone again, and I know he couldn't replace it, because a controlling person will never replace your phone. They just hurt you, and there's no day they'll never make you happy. So guys, there was this day now. It was dinner time, or let's say supper time. So me, I went to take food. Wow. Guess what? Somebody's calling me. Yeah. Like I told you, he threw my phone away, so I didn't have a phone. So there were their mess. Guess you know mess. So I was going to take food there and then go back and eat in my hostel. So this guy called me. Guys, I didn't know, baby. I didn't know this guy had other plans. So this guy had called all of his family members, guys. Ooh, I was so embarrassed. He called all of his family members and told them that I have agreed to marry him. Guys, you know what? This girl has agreed to marry me. Yeah, and we're just finishing school, and then I'll bring him home. I'll bring her home, and yeah, just after we finish school. And we didn't even agree on something like that. Even we were not talking because I didn't have a phone. And even when I had a phone, I used to ignore his calls. Maybe in those meetings that Kalenjin had, and if he met me unexpectedly, yeah, that's when he could see me. But now this guy is bringing his family members and telling them that I've agreed to marry him. What was that? We haven't even dated. I don't even know more of him. I don't even know anything about him than him being controlling, and he's saying that I've agreed to marry him. Guys, this was so embarrassing that I didn't even take that food, and now they brought food. Yeah, these family members had brought food, and now they're saying as a family we should eat because this girl has agreed to marry our son. Hey, my God. I didn't know marriage is always like that. I thought marriage is something people agree, and of course after you have dated, and so that this person is the right one. But this one wanted to force. Hey, my God. And until you see the family members, like the ones who are in that school too. Yeah, and he brought them and told them You know, from today, you have to respect this girl because it's going to be your in-law. Hey, manze. Wow. Guys, this was so bad. And now, after he calls his family members for me, and then he goes ahead, I don't know. Okay, he goes ahead and proposes to another girl, or is telling another girl he wants her to be his girlfriend, and then this girl refused. I'm telling you, this girl was slapped. This 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 guy slapped that girl, and this girl fainted, and she was taken to the nurse. Guys, yani you can imagine dating someone who can slap you until you faint. Wow. And then after that incident, this guy was given a expulsion. He was expelled from that school. Guys, I was so happy. I was so happy that my life in school would be free again. Freedom, 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 freedom. Okay, I was so happy that he was expelled because I didn't want more of his shenanigans. And my phone, he didn't even replace again. And I just started avoiding his family members. I just started avoiding them one by one, and my life became free again. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of stories to tell you guys. Like the live, I always live stream every day, guys. So even after I've done this video, I'll live stream. And I always post every day shorts and long videos. So guys, make sure you watch it. Guys, what again? Oh, my videos are always relatable, guys. Something that you can relate. Yeah, something that you can relate, guys. This is something that you can relate, not something that you'll be here saying, what is this girl saying? No, it's just a story that has ever happened to you, or that has ever happened to your friend. And yeah, or it has ever happened where you live. Yeah, that's kind of stories that I do. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you cannot miss any of my videos. And guess what again? Oh, click the notification bell so that you can get all the notifications of my if I just post a video, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you are if it's in the have a good day. Be blessed. Yeah, be blessed. Be blessed. May God bless you for supporting me, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Bye, guys.